Hi guys, it's Peter, welcome to my channel, and today I'm making a request video about Argus Showmaster 500. And first time when I make a video about this movie projector or movie player, that was like 5-6 years ago or so, and I was quite surprised. I've been contacted by quite few people, asked me to make a video how to remove it back cover, because back then I thought I'm the only one who has that vintage really nice 8mm movie player or movie projector. Yeah, I really love this unit. Probably I'm never gonna review it because it's, first of all, it's a nice vintage machine. Second of all, it's all aluminum, almost zero plastic. There's a few spools made from plastic, like this one, but the whole housing, it's all aluminum. Nice, heavy, stable machine, and it works like a hammer. I mean, one thing I really love about this one, you use it, then you store it for, I don't know, 10-15 years. You pull it out, wipe it dust, power it. Let's see. Actually, yeah, just like that. First motor, then lamp, boom, it's working. Let's see what. It will work every time, all the time, you know. Yeah, especially if you grease it once in a decade. And when you turn it off, first you turn it lamp off, give it 10-15 seconds, maybe 30 seconds to cool it down, and then you turn it off, the fan itself. Like I said, I really love that machine. Is awesome. And time to time, like I said, I receiving quite few requests, make a video how to remove this cover, where you service it on a drivetrain, maybe you need some do adjustment, and people try it, just lift it, rip it the cover, because there's no screws, I mean, on top, there's no screw on the side, but there's the screws on the bottom. There's two screws need to be removed to take the cover off. And like I said, quite few people ask me, well, more than few. In the last, I don't know, 3-4 years, I probably been contacted like 4 or 5 guys, said, hey, how you remove cover, how to remove cover. And I tell them there's a screws on the bottom, and some people say, oh, thanks, I didn't see it. But some other people try saying, no, I remove it, but I drop it the screw, it's okay. The thing is, it has a rubber grommets right there, and sometimes screw is stuck in. If you loosen up screw and it doesn't lift, maybe something it's stuck or sticky. Pretty much when you remove screws, you just lift it and the cover, it removes. Right there is a brackets which hold in metal nuts, and like I already mentioned it, this guy, when you take it apart, you feel it quality, you know. No cheap plastic, almost no cheap plastic, everything nice. Actually, let me put those films. I love 8mm movie projectors. I got quite few films, and look at that, guys. I mean, when you look at it, feels, you know, it feels like a really expensive watch. You open it, you know, everything it's there where it's necessary. No cheap stuff, no loose things, you know, no rubber belts which get stretched. It's a spring belt. It's using actual long spring. Yeah, let me bring the camera closer and you can see it. This guy will last a century. Yeah. Fan, I mean, the motor has a fan. It's a motor, steel blades. Of course, you have to be careful when it's running. It can catch it. I mean, cut finger and a half. Yeah, nice warm gear right there. Pretty much like I said, yeah, this machine, it's too bad it's not 8mm plus, I mean, or Super 8 with sound. This one, it doesn't have sound, but I love it. And I got in my possession 8mm Super 8. I got like 4 of them or so. And this machine is most beloved one, I believe. Probably because, like I said already, it's a quality, you know. It's a nice built machine, easy to work, quite easy to work. There's only, like I said, actually this drive shaft, I mean the motor shaft, there had one rubber wheel when you switch into front or forward and reverse. That wheel I did replace it, or I did modify it, but everything else, like I said, it's a nice heavy duty plastic or steel. That's it. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you still have some question about this movie projector Argus Showmaster 500, let me know, and I may make another video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.